Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries placement. So, ito na yung the person on your mind ngayong May. Okay, so titingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Anyway, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yes, don't forget rin na i-follow yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung atin pong link. Pwede kayo mag-send ng inyong love messages sa inyong mga special person, special someone. And hide natin yung inyong identity. Okay? So, i-air natin yun doon sa ating second YouTube channel. And, syempre, yung ating mga items is all available. Protection from evil eye, love bracelet for singles and may mga connect na sobrang daming conflict, and pwede rin yun sa mga maganda naman na yung samahan para mas mapatibay. And syempre yung ating granter and cord cutting. So kung meron pang ibang tanong, message na lang po. Okay, so let's see Aries, your person on your mind. Okay, the person on your mind. Let's see, sino to? The person on Aries' mind. Who is this person? Para makuha natin, para makita natin na sa'yo to. Para malaman mong iyo tong read. Anong meron sa person, Aries? The Emperor. Could be a fellow Aries. Some of them, pwedeng meron silang business. Some of them, pwedeng may anak na. Emperor, Empress. Okay? This is like energy of masculine. Okay, masculine energy. Pwede namang magkaroon ng masculine energy ang isang babae. Pwedeng ganun. Strong, independent, mga ganyan. If ever, kung ang person mag-isang babae. And, some of them, pwedeng boss. What's with this Emperor? The moon in reversed. This person is really good hiding their true feelings. They're good at hiding feelings. No? Some of them emotionally strong. Okay? Itong taong to mahirap tong tumanggap ng opinion. Okay? Some of you laging lang kayong nag-aaway ng taong ito. Parang ganyan, no? So, some of them, andun yung word na ruler. Okay? Nandun din yung word na parang hard-headed. Okay? May ganong energy yung person. Lagi mong hinahanap-hanap to, I think. Some of you, same kayo ng energy. Pwede yung, you're mirroring each other. So, ang dami kong sinabi. So, kunin lang po kung anong naka-resonate. Okay? Kung walang nag-resonate, then this is not your read. Umpisa pa lang. Okay? So, better luck next time. Nine of Wands. Somebody na pwedeng guarded or sabihin natin parang acting avoidant. Ito yung energy ng tao na parang ang hirap makasundo. Okay? May chance na mahirap kayo magkasundo ng taong to. Pwedeng ikaw, yes, siya, no. Okay? Ano kailangan nung malaman sa kanya? Sa situation, I think, some of them, tingnan natin. Anong meron? Situation ni person mo. Judgment in reversed. I saw 777. Angel number for you. Hindi ko alam, biglaan lang lumabas sa utak ko yung 777. Judgment in reversed. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, may chance na pinagfo-focusan nito is pera. Finance, no? Or some of them, they have commitment issues. They have commitment issues. That is why, yung iba sa kanila parang meron kailangang gawing decision pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Pero some of them, may chance na hindi sila marunong mag-commit, hindi sila marunong magtupad ng pangako. Some of them, nirurule ka niya. Like, kinokontrol ka. Okay? Alam niya kung paano ka i-hook. Alam niya kung paano ka ma-attach sa kanya still, if ever. Okay? Temperance in reverse. So, there is imbalance or hindi pagkakaintindihan sa ngayon sa situation, I think. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Nakakuha ko kasi na parang ang tigas ng taong to, like emotionally. Hindi mo makitaan ng parang sweet side yung person, or parang you're being needy pagdating sa kanya emotionally. Okay, what is their emotion? Let's see. Yung iba sa inyo, naging open ka pagdating sa emotion mo sa kanya. Masyadong open. Emotion. The Eight of Cups in reverse. They won't go anywhere. Five of Wands. Gusto na to intindihin mo siya. Okay? Gusto na to intindihin mo siya. Three of Cups in reverse. Nakakuha ko ng one-sidedness here. One-sidedness. One-sided connection. Somebody is putting effort, more effort than the other. Kasi nandun yung energy na parang kinokontrol ka nga. Siya yung parang nagmamaniobra ng connection. It's like, okay, kaya madalas yung away, arguments, conflicts dito sa situation. Again, the Three of Cups in reverse. Some of you, energies surrounding this person ang pwedeng nakaka-apekto sa kung paano siya mag-act sa'yo. Okay? Let's see, what is their next action? What is their next action for you, Aries? Miss May. Page of Wands. So, that's plans. May mga plano. May mga pangako. May mga parang magsisimula muli. The Nine of Wands. Andyan yung aasa ka na naman. Yeah, the Six of Wands in reverse. They want you na ma-hook up, na ma-hook ka sa kanya. They want you na makontrol ka niya. Something like that. Okay, it's like all about themselves. This is being guarded. The Nine of Wands, somebody na pwedeng hindi lahat malalaman mo. Sabihin nating may pagka red flag yung person. No? Yeah, they're the emperor. Pero andun yung parang power tripping. Energy na parang siya dapat yung masusunod kasi ganto siya, ganto yung situation niya, like that. Laging dahilan is yung situation niya, kung ano man yung gusto niya, something like that. Then parang hindi siya nag-iisip about you. Okay? So, the immaturity may chance na kaya hindi naging balance Kasi parang ginagamit niya yung power na meron siya pagdating sa'yo. Isa na dun is pwedeng naging open ka nga emotionally sa kanya. So, pwede kanyang magamit. Pwede kanyang mamanipula. Okay? Iba dito, may chance na, merong ibang involved. The Three of Cups is here. So, nandyan yung parang bibigyan ka niya ng breadcrumb, love bombing, nandyan din. Pagdating sa situation niya, this is so specific. Some of them may family na involved. They have families. They have family. No? Pero nandito yung energy na hindi sila gagawa ng stepping up or pagpili. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw itong aasa sa kanya, sa mga pangako, kung ano man, plano, para sa inyo. Paasahin ka lang. Pag-iintayin. Pero hindi niya naman ibibigay talaga. I'm sorry. So, ano ang outcome? Yeah, the King of Swords Universe. This is a liar. Manipulator. A narcissistic person, some of them. Hindi lahat, pero yeah, some of them. Okay? The King of Swords Universe. Somebody who tells lies, has a lot of secrets, they're not genuine. Okay, yeah, Seven of Wands. They have a lot of blockages, a lot of issues. So, some of you, itong connection nyo na to, hindi pa rin totally magiging okay in general. Kasi itong taong to, siya yung issue dito. Yeah. Some of you, the King of Swords Universe is somebody who is afraid. Afraid in general. Yeah, the Two of Swords. Somebody na pwedeng indecisive. Acting aloof. Okay? Can't make decisions. Can't choose. Yeah. The Page of Pentacles Universe. So, a lot of delays pagdating sa kung anong meron sa inyo. Advice is magkaroon ka ng limit, healthy boundaries from them. Okay? So, there. So, yeah. Tingin pa tayo. Okay, what else? Sino pa ang nasa isip mo? Sino pa? Ano pang meron sa person? Ng mga Aries. Sino ite? The Page of Swords Universe. Are you? Yeah. Some of you, this person could be stalking you, or ikaw itong nag-i-stalk sa kanya. They could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Page of Swords Universe. The Star Universe. Yeah, this is air sign. Aquarius. Could be exact. Okay, could be specific. Yeah, an Aquarius. Some of them hindi pa to totally healed. Could be an ex. Okay, could be an ex. Bakit kayo ni-stalk nito? Yun nga, isang dahilan is hindi pa healed, hindi pa totally nakaka-moved on. Anong dahilan? Queen of Swords Universe. Some of them, meron silang revenge. They're like staging you. Meron silang mga gustong malaman. Meron silang gustong mga masagot. Okay? Some of them, kumukuha lang sila ng pwedeng ibato sa'yo. Andun yung pangbabaliktad. Okay? Or sabihin natin para hindi sila makaramdam ng guilt, if ever. I don't know. Pwede kasi hindi naman para sa lahat yun, pero may nakuha akong ganun. They're stalking you para hindi sila makaramdam ng guilt. I don't know kung anong ginawa nila sa'yo, because the Queen of Swords is somebody na talagang gumawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. There could be infidelity here. Cheating, whatsoever. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Wands Universe. Some of them, they are like galit. Kung ikaw itong nakikita nila na getting attention from other people na. Parang ganyan. Ayaw nila yon. Ayaw nila yon. Okay? Ano bang emosyon nito? Strength in reverse. Parang wala na silang paraan pagdating sa sitwasyon. Wala na silang pwedeng magawa about the situation kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay, yeah, the Eight of Pentacles. Some of them, they see you as somebody na pwedeng focusing on other energies, being busy. Parang ganyan, doing good, doing fine without them. And ayaw nila yun. Okay? Two of Cups in reverse, yeah. So, wala naman tong gagawin. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. May chance na pwedeng maghanap rin to ng iba. Maghanap, yeah, kung sakali. Makikipag-usap, yeah. So, yung energy is like wanting na magkaroon ng bago rin pagdating sa kanila. Kasi, yun nga, may chance na pwedeng nakikita nila na ikaw ay may mga ginagawa ng bago pagdating sa buhay mo, no? So, again, yung pag-i-stock, hindi lang sa FB nangyayari. Ha? Okay? Hindi lang po sa FB, please. Pwedeng nakikibalita to kung kanino, pwedeng nakikihanap or nakikigamit ng FB ng iba, kung ikaw naman ay binlock mo na to whatsoever. Yes. Okay? Ang daming paraan. Kung gusto kang mahanap ng tao, gagawa ng paraan yon. Kung gusto niyang makarinig, makaalam ng kung anong meron sa'yo, gagawa ng paraan yon. Tulad mo. No? Tulad mo. You're watching tarot. Kasi hindi mo siya mahanap, if ever. Hindi mo siya makita. Yeah, you're watching tarot. You're watching their energy. Okay? Two of Swords. So, this is, energy na avoidant, block, mga ganyan. Some of them, kung may makita silang something nga na sabihin nating magiging reason para totally makalma sila, mawala yung guilt or whatsoever. Like, kunyari, siya yung nakagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo before and may nakita siyang something sa'yo na may iba ka na, whatsoever. So, gagawin nilang way yun. Gagawin nilang dahilan yun para totally lumayo sa'yo or i-block ka, something like that. Okay? Six of Swords. So, there. I don't know. Let's see. All signs are through Pisces. Tingnan natin. Yeah, may mga stalker yung iba sa inyo, mga Aries. Okay? Let's see. Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing or dealt with. Aries. Could be third party involved. This is separation. They're hurt. Taurus. They want to move on. Some of them, they're moving on. Gemini. They have commitment issues. They're not ready to settle down. Cancer. They're happy. They see you somebody na pwedeng, kung kakonect mo siya, gusto niya na makasama ka forever. Mga ganun bagay. Parang ganyan. Leo. They're tired. Feeling drained. Lalo na kung yun nga, hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng connection sa ngayon. Okay? Virgo. They're stuck. You're in their head. Libra. May pagmamadali pagdating kay Libra. Some of them, they're open sa connection, pero commitments is womp womp womp. Parang ganon. Scorpio. Feeling the sabihin nating imbalance. May chance na pwedeng one-sided. Okay, yung connection mo. Connection nyo with this Scorpio. Kasi yung iba sa kanila, ha? Hindi lahat. Merong family or merong sabihin natin mas may inuuna. Sagittarius, they're dropping you. Feeling helpless. Andun yung energy ng romantic. Ang tawag dyan? Hopeless romantic. Parang ganun. Capricorn, they're mirroring you. They're silent. They're thinking of you. Aquarius, hindi pa nakaka-move on si Aqua. They won't go anywhere. Okay. Pisces, they still love you. They still like you. You're their best option. Okay. Some of you, nandyan yung energy ng, kung hindi kayo magkausap, they're stalking you. Yeah, they're stalking you. So there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!